So Ganpati Bappa is just knocking at the door. So I thought that let's make a painting. So here I am back with another video where I'm going to share with you all a very easy, simple and a sweet painting. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. Hello everyone, this is me Ankita and you are watching Ankita Arts. As you can see, I have done a rough sketch of Ganpati Bappa. Then I have used the lemon yellow and the dark yellow color. I have combined these two colors and I have colored the face, hands and the feet. The exact name with the code number will be displayed on the screen so you can follow it from there. The short video of this painting is already available in my channel, so if you want you can go there and have a watch. I know you will like it. After this I have colored the dress of Ganpati Bappa. So for this I have used the red color, the brown color. So I have combined these three colors. I have used the darker brown just in order to make a darker shade and red, and to lighten up these two colors I have used the white color. Again, the name with the code will be displayed on the screen so you can follow it from there. Now comes the background part. For the background part I have used mainly the three colors, the two types of green and the black color. I have used the light green as well as the dark green, that's the sap green. I have combined the sap green and the black color to give it a very nice finish. Once again, the exact name with the code will be displayed on the screen. So from there you can able to follow the colors. So here we come to the end of our today's video. So if you like the video, do like and subscribe our channel. You can also follow us on Instagram. The link is in the description. It is also available in our channel. So if you want, you can go there and follow. We don't have a huge follower, but if you want, you can follow us. Let me know in the comment down below about this painting, and if any suggestion, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Keep loving, keep supporting Ankita Arts. Stay safe, be healthy. Bye.